another video, and today we're about to test out this new sneaker cleaning product called Shoozas that I got from the Sneakerhead Invasion. Met with them, pretty nice people. Didn't really get to see how to clean the shoe, but the moment they said it was $20, I'm like, bet, I got you. I need a new sneaker cleaning product anyway. So basically, I'm just gonna show y'all what's in the box and whatnot. I will show you guys what shoes I will be cleaning. So without further ado, let's get this video started. Alright guys, so this is all the stuff that we have here. We have the Air Force Ones that I am going to be cleaning. We do have the foam cleaner right here. Really nice black and blue bottle. All that. We have our water in the bowl, as y'all can see. We have the microfiber cloth. Does say Shoozas on there. And then we have this really nice bristle brush right here. Now, this one we're only going to use on the top of the leather, as opposed to like for the bottom of the shoes, because y'all know why. Which is why for the bottom of the shoes we're going to use this one, because it is a little bit more harder. Pause. So, let's just go ahead and get straight into it. So first off, I should have did this before the video. I'm going to take out the insoles, because you know, you gotta take them out. And from the instructions, you're supposed to, like, you know, put the foam on, you know, on top of the shoe. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna follow his instructions, and I should have did all of this before doing the video. That's all good. Well, put that right there. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the bottom of the shoe. I'm only gonna do one of the shoes and not both, just so I can show y'all, you know, like, you know, what, like the before and after. So one of the shoes, as y'all can see, the bottom is pretty dirty. Haven't worn these in a little bit, so definitely about to clean these. So about to shake this up. It says you gotta shake it up and stuff. So we're gonna do about like 3 squirts. One on the top, one in the middle, one on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3. Now you can use as many as you want, but I'm gonna do 3 for now. And we're gonna take, you have like a hard bristle brush, well you can use any like brush in general, but I'm gonna use this one. Dip it in some water, make sure you can have all nice wet. And we're just gonna clean away. Like this. That should be enough. Then squabbling. Give me a little bit more, get it foamy and all that. So now, I'm gonna wipe it off with this microfiber cloth. This one's gonna be really, really dirty. Go ahead and just wipe that down. Make sure to get all the foam out. And actually, I do need to do more scrubbing, but other than that, it looks really, really good. Looks really, really good. Gives out a closer look. Still gotta do a little bit more work. Still need to do a little bit more work. So, I'm gonna put a little bit more in. Put in some more water. And just gonna scrub away one more time. And then should be good. Now, go ahead and just let that off and get that a closer look. Still has some stuff on there, but honestly, overall, it still looks good. It still looks clean. Really, really clean. I'm gonna put a little bit of foam on the toe box, just a little bit. I'm gonna use the side bristle brush. Add some water and add a little bit more here, just a little bit. Just like that. Right. Put it off. And honestly, like I said, it's really not that dirty, but it looks really nice and clean, considering. So yeah, honestly, I'm gonna give it this. Unless I wasn't really doing it correctly, it still looks good. Just gotta like keep scrubbing and cleaning till it looks like about 100%. But overall, I'll give Shoozas an 8.5 out of 10. I definitely do think it's a really good cleaning product, and I definitely need to check out their website and see what other products they have on there. But other than that, I definitely give them an 8.5 on it. And I'm gonna give you guys like a closer up image. So as y'all can see, this shoe still dirty, red mark and all that. Other shoe, very, very clean. Everything, like it just looks good. Still need to do a little bit more cleaning, but honestly, it works wonders. It looks 10 times better than this one, of course. So yeah, like honestly, shoes are thumbs up for me. Really, really dope cleaning product. Definitely can't wait to get more whenever I get a chance to. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my overall thoughts on it. Overall, y'all, Shoozas is a really dope shoe cleaning product. Like the foam, the brush, the microfiber cloth, everything, even coming down to the packaging and everything is really, really dope. I definitely do suggest you guys go over to their Instagram, go over to their website and purchase their product. Like it's really dope. Like I said, if I do still need to do more work on the other shoe, but overall it still looks good regardless. Even though the top of the shoe was not that dirty, I still wanted to show it to you guys regardless. Like it looks really good, and you know the smell of it is actually pretty good as well. Just overall, Shoozas, you guys did phenomenal on it. I'm glad I got to meet y'all at Sneakerhead Invasion. Also, if you haven't seen that vlog yet, a pop-up will show up in this video, like majority of the video more than likely. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video with my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram so you guys get updated on when I post. And make sure that go follow Shoozas on Instagram. And again, buy their products. It's really, really dope. Like if like the whole packaging is $20, hey, I would take it, even if I had to pay a little bit of shipping for it, but it's all good. So, thank you guys for watching, and peace.